Hi guys, just here with another video on D&D. So this is all my characters that I've created that I'm going to show everyone how to create a character for D&D. So you go to create character. This is all on D&D Beyond, by the way. So you can go in, sign up for free, and you get the standard 6 characters, but you can pay yearly amount to get unlimited. Of course, I don't like Magic the Gathering, so we'll take that out. You got Homebrew. Homebrew is basically created at home stuff. Character name, we'll just put Jackson. Then we'll go across the race, and Doggo is a race that I created, and same with Mantor. So yeah, so a couple of races I created. So for this one, you got Aarakocra, Dragonborn, Dwarf, Elf, Genasi, Gnome, Goliath, Half Elf, Half Orc, Halfling, Human, Tiefling, and Samar. For this, I think we'll go for an Elf, High Elf, which is the race. So it's dark vision. It's all there for you to see. When you go into it, it'll know a cantrip, which is the spells. For this one, I think we'll go, True Strike. An extra language. We'll go Deep Speech. And now we'll go across the class. You've got all your different classes there. So Barbarian, Bard, Cleric, Druid, Fighter, Monk, Paladin, Ranger, Rogue, Sorcerer, Warlock, and Wizard. Your wizards are like Harry Potter, if you're into that stuff. Your warlocks, kind of like your demon sort of thing. It does magic. Sorcerers is magic as well. So yeah, three lots of magic. Sorcerers are the bloodlines as well. The ones I like playing are fighters. So this elf, we'll make him a ranger. So a warrior who combats threats on the edge of civilization. So, and then we'll go here, proficiencies. 3 skills, so we'll go with stealth, athletics, and nature. Being a elf, favorite enemy Language by Chosen Giant. And Undead is the favourite enemies. Natural Explorer. We'll go Forest for this guy. Manage HP. Max HP can have is 10. Average is 10. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for level 1. Ability scores. You can go the standard array, manual, or point buy. I usually go the manual. And then we'll go up here to Google. And Dice Roller. And yeah, that's all you can have there. So your D6, 3D6, so, or you go 4D6, drop the lowest, so 8, you can put them anywhere for strength, dexterity, constitution, so we'll put the 8 here in constitution, back over here, and then take them out. Yep, we don't need that. Now 11. We'll put 11 at strength. 12. We'll put that at dexterity. 12 again. We'll put that at charisma. 10. We'll put the 10 at wisdom. Last one for intelligence. 12. Yeah, you go across to description, your character details, alignment. We'll put Jackson as lawful neutral, meaning he doesn't sit either side of good or evil. Lifestyle, comfortable living for him. Then you can go the hair, so we'll go blonde hair, olive skin, green eyes, making him 6 foot flat and 100 pound. Elves can get pretty old, so put him at about 110. That'll be about a teenager. So obviously male. Person done that. Traits. Yeah, we won't go full into all of it. Now, equipment. I like to start all characters out searching for the Explorer's Pack. So, in the Explorer's Pack, you get the bedroll backpack, mess kit, 10 rations of food, 10 days rations, 50 feet of rope, tinderbox, torch, and water skin. Look up armor, add breastplate, because I find that easy to use. Shield, weapons now. I always have a battle axe, a couple of daggers. Oh, give Jackson a great sword. And a short sword just for and give him a longbow. Now go up here to inventory. We'll wield that. Wield. Gotta start with something, so yeah. 1 platinum, 100 gold, 100 electrum, 10 electrum, 10 silver, 10 copper. What's next? You can view your character sheet or export it to PDF. PDF you can download onto USB and print it out at your local store where you are able to print things out, whether it be Officeworks or whatever, or if you've got a printer at home, you can print it out at home. So we'll just go view character sheet, and boom, there you have it. There's your armor class, your hit points, which are 9. When you level up, you go over manage levels. Oh, that's one thing I didn't do. I forgot to scroll down at the beginning and go XP, miles, achievement type. So you might want to, depending on what your DM says to do, whether your DM, he or she, likes to use XP or milestone. Me personally, as a DM, I've always preferred XP leveling. So go back up to what's next, your character sheet again, and when you actually become one of the 2-tier paid members, you've got the effect of that rolling dice. But you want to clear all as well, and depending on how you play, whether you actually have the dice or not. So yeah, that's essentially how you create a character. And on that note, I'll leave it there.